Have you ever wished you could capture the most thrilling moments of your life without being weighed down by bulky gear? What if I told you that the solution might be as small as a matchbox, yet powerful enough to capture the adrenaline rush of your adventures? Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras, where innovation meets extreme portability. Let's explore 5 incredible action cameras that promise to keep up with your wildest exploits. Number 5. GoPro H10 Black, the gold standard. Finally, we come to the GoPro H10 Black, a name synonymous with action cameras. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of durability, performance, and quality, this is the camera that sets the bar. Imagine yourself diving off a cliff into the crystal-clear waters below. With the H10 Black, every detail of that leap is captured in stunning 5.3 resolution at 60 fps. Its hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization ensures that even the most chaotic moments are recorded with buttery smoothness. And with its rugged, waterproof design, the H10 Black is built to handle whatever you throw at it, from underwater adventures to mountain hikes. It's a bit on the pricier side, and long recording sessions can cause it to heat up, but if you're serious about your action footage, the H10 Black is worth every penny. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2, smooth shots, no extra gear. Now, let's shift gears to a device that blurs the line between action camera and professional stabilizer, the DJI Pocket 2. Although not a traditional action camera, its built-in gimbal makes it a standout for anyone looking to capture ultra-smooth footage without lugging around extra gear. Imagine walking through a bustling city, capturing the vibrant street life around you. With the DJI Pocket 2, you can do just that. The gimbal stabilizes the camera across 3 axes, ensuring that your footage is silky smooth no matter how shaky your hands might be. It also features an active tracking mode, so whether you're filming a friend or capturing your own adventures, the camera will stay locked on the subject. While it lacks the waterproofing of other action cameras and might overheat during intense shoots, the Pocket 2's portability and stabilization make it a fantastic choice for travel vloggers and content creators. Number 3. AKASO V50XE, immersive action in your pocket. For those who crave high-definition action footage but don't want to break the bank, the AKASO V50X is a solid choice. This compact camera is engineered to capture the intensity of your adventures with impressive clarity. Picture this: you're racing down a mountain on your bike, wind whipping past as you navigate sharp turns. The V50XE, with its 4K Ultra HD recording and advanced EIS technology, ensures your footage is smooth and sharp even when the ride gets bumpy. Its wide-angle lens captures more of the action, letting you relive the thrill of the ride in stunning detail. While it may lack the polish of higher-end models and the photo quality might not blow you away, for the price, the V50X offers a feature-packed experience that's hard to beat. Number 2. AKASO Brave 7LA, the adventurer's best friend. Are you the kind of person who thrives on adrenaline, seeking out the most extreme experiences? If so, the AKASO Brave 7LA might just be your new best friend. This rugged action camera is built to withstand the elements, perfect for those who push the limits of adventure. Imagine kayaking down a roaring river, water splashing all around you. The Brave 7LA, with its waterproof design, doesn't even flinch. Its unique dual-screen setup allows you to frame your shots perfectly, whether you're in front of the camera or behind it. And with its 4K Ultra HD video recording and built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, every splash, every rapid is captured in vivid detail and smooth motion. Plus, the long-lasting battery ensures that you won't miss a moment, even on your most extended excursions. Number 1. Insta360 GO, the tiny marvel. Imagine capturing your most exciting moments with a camera so small it could easily be mistaken for a toy. Enter the Insta360 GO, the world's smallest action camera. But don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse is designed with vloggers and content creators in mind, making it perfect for capturing your daily adventures. Picture this: you're hiking up a steep trail, hands full with trekking poles. The last thing you want to do is fumble around with a camera. With the Insta360 GO2, you don't have to. It comes with a magnetic pendant necklace that allows you to shoot hands-free, letting you stay in the moment while capturing every breathtaking view. While it doesn't shoot in 4K, its 1440p resolution and post-production video stabilization through the Insta360 app make it a formidable option for those on the go. The downside? It might overheat during extended recording sessions, but if you need a compact, convenient camera for quick captures, the GO2 is your best bet.